Can you really learn English all by yourself? At home? Without a teacher?
Uh, I don't know. It feels impossible.
Yes, you can. Well, let me show you how you can do it step by step. And by the end, I'll even share some fun free apps that make learning feel like a game. So stay till the end. Problems English learners face.
I don't know where to start. I keep forgetting words, and sometimes I just feel like giving up.
You're not alone. Every learner feels like that. But trust me, you can fix this with the right plan and a positive mindset. Step 1. Set a clear, small goal. Small steps. Big results. Write something simple like, I'll learn 5 new words today, or I'll speak for 2 minutes in English. That's it. Small steps lead to big results.
Oh, that feels easy enough.
Step 2. Create your English routine. Even 15 minutes a day is enough if you're consistent. A little every day works better than a lot once a week.
I can do 15 minutes a day.
Step 3. Use all 4 skills. Listen, speak, read, and write. Listen to music. Speak to yourself. Read a little every day and write simple sentences. All 4 skills together make you fluent faster.
I'm making tea. I'm learning English. Hey, this is fun.
Step 4. Use free apps to make it fun. Try apps like Duolingo, BBC English, or Word Games. Even just 10 minutes a day can improve your spelling and vocabulary.
Wow, learning English feels like a game now.
You see? You're already improving. Every small effort you make today brings you closer to fluency tomorrow. Don't give up. You've got this.
Yes, I can do this.
Now it's your turn. Which of these steps are you going to follow first? Comment below and tell us, I'm going to try step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple and fun English lessons. Hit the bell so you never miss a tip. Keep learning, keep practicing, and see you in the next video.